Good morning, my beautiful students. How are you today? Are you fine? That's good. Okay, let's start my own lesson today, girls. But before starting, let me ask you about the day and the date. Who can tell me what's the day today? Today is what, girls? Today is Sunday. Let's spell the word Sunday together. Let's spell the word Sunday together. Sunday again. Sunday. And the date is 17 to 1442 after Hijrah. Again, today is Sunday. Sunday. And the date is 17 to 1442 after Hijrah. Okay, girls, now I want you to open your notebook. Open your notebook, please, girls. Write the day with the date. Write your full name. Then copy this in your notebook. Copy this passage in your notebook. This is Jack's house. This is the cheese that is in Jack's house. This is the mouse that eats the cheese that is in Jack's house. This is the cat that chases the mouse that eats the cheese that is in Jack's house. This is the snake that scares the cat that chases the mouse that eats the cheese that is in Jack's house. This is the cow with the pointed horns that touches the snake that scares the cat that chases the mouse that eats the cheese that is in Jack's house. Okay, girls, copy this passage in your notebook one time, girls. Okay? Now, let's take a quick revision before starting my own lesson for today. Okay, girls, let's start by ask and answer. If I ask you, girls, where are you from? You should say, I am from Saudi Arabia. Where do you live? I live in Taif. Okay, girls? How do you go to school? I go to school by car, for example. Okay, girls? Now, let's see the comparative adjectives. We took this definition before, girls. Are used to compare differences between two things, between two persons, between two animals. For example, in the comparative adjectives, we compare between two things, persons, and animals. For example, larger than, smaller than, slower than, cuter than, happier than. For example, Sarah is shorter than Selma. The cat is cuter than the rabbit. Amal is happier than Selma. So I compare between two persons here. Now let's see the superlative adjectives are used to compare differences between more than, two things, more than, two persons, more than, two animals. Okay, girls, let's see the examples. The largest, the smallest, the biggest, the slowest, and the cutest. Okay, let's see an example. For example, Ahmed is the smallest of these boys. Dolphins are the cutest. The elephant is the slowest of these animals, for example. Okay, girls? Now, we have as plus adjective as. Is used to make comparison when the things we are comparing are equal. They are equal. They are together equal. Okay? For example, as big as small as cute as tall as small as. For example, Sarah is as small as Selma. The cat is as cute as a rabbit. Ali is as tall as Ahmed. Okay, girls? My room is as big as my sister's room. Okay, girls? Now, make 5 sentences using as plus adjective as. Ahmed is as tall as Ali. Selma is as cute as Sarah. My room is as big as my sister's room. Amal is shorter than Layla. Okay, girls? Now, today, inshallah, we are going to start a new lesson, lesson 4 in Unit 2. And as you know before, This unit is about sea animals, page number 16 and 17. Page number 16 and 17. Please, girls, I want you now to open your books, page number 16 and 17. Open your books, page number 16 and 17. Write the day with the date, then close your box. Okay, now here, girls, we have demonstrative pronouns. What do I mean by demonstrative pronouns? Is a pronoun that is used to point to something specific with a sentence. Okay, it's a pronoun that is used to point to something specific within a sentence. Examples for demonstrative pronouns: this, that, these, and those. This, that, these, and those. This, that, these, and those. Okay, now we will have an examples now, but first of all we will discuss this. This is used with a singular noun and with something near to you. With a singular noun, this is used with a singular noun, with a singular noun, one noun, and with something near to you. For example, this is my bag. First of all, how many bags can you see? I can see one bag. So I should use this. So this is used with something singular and with something near to you. Now here I have one bag, and the bag is near to me. The bag is near to me, so I should use this. This is my bag. So this is used with a singular noun and something near to you. Here I have one bag, and this bag is near to me, so I should use this. This is my bag. Let's see number 2. That is used with a singular noun and with something far away from you. Let's see. Here we have one bag, and this bag is far away from me. It's far away from me, so I should use that. That is my bag. That is my bag. So that is used with a singular noun and with something far away from you. Let's see these. This is used with plural nouns and with something near to you. Let's see here. How many bags can I see? I have 3 bags, so plural nouns. So these bags, near to me or far away? Near to me, so I should use these. These are my bags. Okay, girls? Now we have those. Those is used with plural nouns and with something far away from you. Let's see here. We have 3 bags, plural. So, and we have an arrow. This arrow means that these bags are far away from me. So I should use those. Those are my bags. Those are my bags. Okay, girls? Now use this, that, these, and those. Number 1, my pen. My pen. What should I use? Here I have one pen, and this pen is near to me. So I should use this is my pen. Number 2, my pens. We have more than one pen, plural, and this arrow means these pens are far away from me, so I should use those. Those are my pens. Number 3, my pen. Here I have a pen. I have here a pen. I have a pen, and this pen is far away from me, and this pen is far away from me, so I should use that. That is my pen. For my pens, and these pens are near to me, so I should use these. These are my pens. Okay, girls? Now let's see phonics. How to pronounce these letters together. We have OA as in goat, OW as in snow, OU as in mouse. Okay, girls? Now, we will learn here how to pronounce these letters together. Let's see the first word in my lesson today. We have goat. Goat, G-O-A-T. G-O-A-T. How to pronounce the word with O-A? Here, goat. Again, girls, goat. Now, let's see. The first word is goat, G-O-A-T. Number 2, what can you see here first? I can see snow, S-N-O-W, S-N-O-W, S-N-O-W. How to pronounce the word snow? Snow, S-N-O-W. Now, Read the following sentences. Number 1, I have a yellow t-shirt. 2, Ahmed has 2 windows in his room. 3, Selma has a big house. Selma has a big house. Okay, girls? Now قال تعالى وجعلنا من الماء كل شيء حي أفلا يؤمنون. What did you understand from this ayah? We understood that people, animals, and plants can stay alive without water. So we have to thank our God for everything we have in our lives. Okay, girls? Now I want you to open your books, girls. Open your books, please. Open your books, please, girls, and listen. Open your books and listen, please, girls.
Exercise 1. Listen and practice. Write the missing letters.
Listen to words with OA and OW. They make the same sound. O, O. Let's practice. Goat, goat. Snow, snow. Good. Boat, boat and coat, coat. Window, window and yellow, yellow. Now listen and write the missing letters.
Number 2.
Use OA or OW. Boat, boat. Did you write OA? Window, window.
Okay, girls. Now exercise 2.
Exercise 2. Listen, say, and match.
Listen to words with OU and OW. They make the same sound. Ow, ow. Let's practice. House, house. Mouse, mouse. Cow, cow. Brown, brown.
Okay, girls. Now we have exercise 3. Listen and say, then read the number. We will do this exercise together in the live, girls. Now challenge time. We will do this also in the online live, girls. Now I want you to open your activity book. Open your activity book, please, girls. Open your activity book, please, girls. Page number 85 and 86, 85 and 86. Then listen.
Rule 15. I can read and write words with OA, OW. Goat, snow. OU, OW. House, cow. 1. Listen and number the pictures. Then write the words. 1. Goat, goat. 2.
Snow, snow.
3.
House, house.
4.
Cow, cow. Now listen and number the pictures. Boat, boat. Did you write 1? Window, window. Did you write 2? Coat, coat. Did you write 1? Mouse, mouse. Did you write 3? Clown, clown. Did you write 4?
Now write the words.
Okay, girls. Now let's see here. Unscramble the following sentences. Unscramble the following sentences. Here we have boat, coat, mouse, and clown. Here there is a mouse on the chair. 2. The boy is opening the window. Okay, girls? Now we will do also this exercise together in the live, girls. Now we have a homework. I want you to write 5 sentences using as plus adjective as. Write 5 sentences using as plus adjective as. Okay, girls, this is the end of my lesson today. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next time. Goodbye, girls.